Hello friends, we are from Dumb Chats. We have built an AI chatbot that can help you rescheduling and maintaining the appointments with hospitals and clinics. In this system, you can command the AI chatbot to make an appointment with the doctor. You can reschedule them or also you can cancel them. By clicking on this register, you can create a new ID in this chatbot. It will take your first name, last name, email, and password. And in the backend, it will store everything and make you a new user. Based on the email and password that you have set, you will be able to log in here. So I previously have a new built ID, so I will use it for login. So this is the main screen. After logging in to the main screen, you will be directed to a AI chatbot that we have built. You can use it in a two ways, using text and using speech. When you are using text, uh, as in when you tell the chatbot in natural language, it will process the output and it will give it to you. Firstly, I will show you it. So this is my natural language input, and based on this, the AI chatbot will understand the backend, and it will give me my responses based on the username email. Based on the email and password that I have logged in, the system will identify me and fetch all the appointments that I am having in the database. I can also use this functionality with speech. List my appointments. There can be sometimes issues while translating the speech to text. So if it happens, then the AI will not give response in the same manner that it will give now, but it will give a generic answer to the user, or it will try to understand the maximum amount of the question the user wants to make. Book my appointment for headache with Dr. John Smith on June 5th, 3 p.m. So, if we get this type of confirmation, your appointment with Dr. John Smith is booked, then it means that our appointment is saved in the database and we can also fetch it. List my appointments. So, as you can see, there is another entry on 5th June having ID number 14 with Dr. John Smith and a status pending. I can also reschedule it. I can also reschedule any of these meetings. Suppose let's try for 26th of May. Change my appointment of ID 10 with Dr. John Smith to 5th June 10 a.m. As we can see that there is an error in translating the voice to text. So it's possible that AI agent will not understand it and it will fall back to a generic answer that it gives all the users when it is not able to extract the information for any of the commands. We have used LLM Mistral that identifies and understands the query of the user and performs the database queries, and Whisper of OpenAI to translate the voice to text. When I click on the speak button, it will take my voice input and it will translate it into the text and send it to the LLM Mistral, and based upon the text command the Mistral will process the input and give response to the user. So this was the case I thought of, and the LLM couldn't understood the uh, query the user is trying to make, so it fell back to the generic answer that it gives to all the users. It will give you to the it will understand the most of the query that you are making, but if it doesn't understand, then it will give you a generic answer. We can also check that if I try to make an appointment with a doctor that is not present in the database, it will not allow me. It will tell me to check the doctor name first of all. Let's check it. Book an appointment for headache with Dr. Johnson tomorrow 3 p.m.